Snow Day after all. Okay. To the tune of It's a Small World.
Very good.
Alright, I'll get up in the hood.
Hi, I'm Portia Curley, and this is my cross-curricular project-based learning team, Jared Johnson, Demetri Martinez, and Kate Herder. Our project is the personification of biology and psychology, modeled off this comic here called The Head and the Heart, Heart and Brain. What we're going to do is have our kids basically create a one-page, 6-panel graphic novel or comic strip personifying an element of psychology or biology. So key knowledge for literature.
So what students will be expected to know, or at least be able to learn after doing this, or be able to apply, is the particular literary device of personification. So they're going to need to know a working definition of what that is and how to apply that to elements and chemicals and such that aren't typically personified. And then the other thing that they're going to have to do is be able to know how to use graphic novel techniques in order to develop and build a pretty legit graphic novel spread.
Psychology key knowledge.
Psychology key knowledge is the parts of the brain, so the hemispheres, the limbic system, different lobes, as well as neurotransmitters, and they need to use that information that they understand about what each of them do to personify their character in their graphic novel.
And biology key knowledge terms.
The students are going to need to be able to identify the microscopic structure and function of biological macromolecules, including carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins, and how the smallest structure behaves in the human body.
Our driving question is, how does characterization and personification help us to deepen our understanding of biological and psychological processes? Again, this is an individual project. The kids will be creating a one-page, 6-panel, or they can do a combination splash page, smaller panel comic, personifying one of those elements. Mostly this is application of knowledge and synthesis, and the cross-curricular component is important to us.
And they'll be graded. There's elements of each of ours that can be graded.
That's correct. Elements of each class can be graded.
That is all.
That is all.